Good morning, students. Today we will study about some of the common plastics and their uses. The first common plastic is polythene, which is obtained by the polymerization of ethene. Okay, and you all know polythene is non-biodegradable. It is insoluble in all kinds of solvents. Matlab, whether it is water or whether it is alcohol, in any kind of solvent, it is not soluble. It can be molded again and again into any type of shape and any number of times. Okay, jitni baar karna utni baar you can mold it. And it is very lightweight. You all know it is an insulator. What are the uses? It is used for making carry bags, tapes, for storing containers in our kitchen. You all know you must be having you must have seen in your kitchen various kinds of bottles and all. Everything is made of plastics. Then insulators for electric wires. Okay, the next kind of plastic are the PVC, which is polyvinyl chloride. It is prepared by the polymerization of vinyl chloride. This, children, you will have to learn which plastic is made by the polymerization of what. Like plastic is made by the polymerization of ethene. Then PVC is made by the polymerization of vinyl chloride. What is PVC used for? PVC is used for making all the sanitary fittings, like in our pipes and all. In the kitchens, the pipes, all those are made of PVC. Covering of electrical wires. Then the soles of the shoes. All these are made of PVC. Okay. The next kind is polystyrene. Polystyrene is a polymer of polythene. Okay, and it is a thermoplastic and it is a transparent polymer. And what is it used for? It is used for making cups, toys, all household articles, for packaging material, any expensive materials. Nowadays, we buy so many things from Amazon, Flipkart. You must have seen there are so many things that come between those carton boxes to keep them safe. What do? They package, do the packaging, and packaging is done by polystyrene. Okay, that is styrofoam. Styrofoam is another name of थर्मोकोल. थर्मोकोल का दूसरा नाम है स्टाइरोफोम. एंड दैट यू ऑल हैव सीन. जितने भी पैकेजिंग होते हैं उन सब में क्या आता है? बीच में थर्मोकोल्स रहते हैं. देन इट इज यूज्ड एज एन इंसुलेटिंग मटेरियल इन रेफ्रिजरेटर. क्लियर? द नेक्स्ट काइंड इज टेफ्लॉन. नाउ टेफ्लॉन इज प्रिपेयर्ड बाय द polymerization of tetrafluoroethene. Okay, and what is it used for? सबसे ज़्यादा जो use होता है टेफ्लॉन is for making non-stick cookware, and it is used in chemical industry as corrosion proof. सबसे ज़्यादा जो use होता है टेफ्लॉन is for non-stick cookwares. Clear? Then bakelite. Bakelite is a thermosetting plastic. Okay, thermosetting polymer. You know that means it once set into a shape, it cannot be melted, it cannot become soft, and once it is put into one shape, it will remain as it is. Okay, you cannot heat it and melt it, you cannot remold it again and again. Clear, children? So bakelite is an insulator, and bakelite is used for making electrical switches and plugs. Whatever plugs, switches and all you see at your home, they all are made up of bakelite. Clear, children? Then they are also used for making the gear wheels and the table top laminates. Table के ऊपर जो रखे होते हैं okay, laminates, that for making combs, fountain pen, all these things. What are used? Bakelite. Okay, children? So you have to learn about these, what all they are made up of, polymerization of what, and where they are used. You will have to learn about these plastics. Clear, children? Then one more is given at last, that is the melamine. Now melamine again is a thermosetting polymer. It is hard and highly polished polymer used for making unbreakable kitchenware. जो हम लोग के घर में जितने भी dinner sets and all, you must have seen the unbreakable ones, not the breakable ones, the unbreakable ones. All these dinner sets are made up of melamine. Clear, children? I hope this much is clear to all of you. And all this, see, you will have to learn this table. Clear, children? See, here it is given bakelite. Even if you don't learn the properties, but you have to learn this where it is used for. Bakelite is used for making buttons, plugs, switches. Okay, then polythene. Polythenes are used for making containers, for storing the liquids, for packaging milks and all. Okay, so this you have to learn this table. Then we come to plastic and the environment. You all know, children, you have very well studied about all these years about plastic, that plastic is non-biodegradable. It takes millions and millions years to decompose. So that means it is a polluting agent. So what should we do? You should reduce the usage of plastic and you should try to recycle the used plastic and reuse it. Okay, if we have to take care of our environment, we will have to reuse and recycle the plastics. And what are the conservation action? Since it is a very serious problem, see, it is given warning label should be printed indicating danger of plastic pollution. Whatever wrappers we are using or bags are using, there should be warning label. Okay, then the plastic should be less used in packaging. You all know, children, that in foreign countries, you must have seen, foreign countries, they don't use plastic. Whatever packaging is given, they give in paper wrappers only, papers. So in India also, the government should try, or we should also try to use plastic as less as possible. Clear? So so less usage of packaging material that is thrown immediately, and we should use less of those plastics. And you all know that the plastics, they block the drainage. We throw the plastic here and there and it gets blocked. It goes and stuck in the drain and then it will block the drain. Reproduce percolation of water into the soil. Even again, percolation of, if there are plastics all around, the water will not go into the soil. Pani jo hai soil mein jayega nahi. So there will be no percolation of water in the soil. So what should we do? We should develop the habits which are environmental friendly and say no to plastic bags. Jitna ho sakta hai plastic bags ko avoid karo, and always try to carry a cotton bag or a jute bag whenever we are going for shopping. Why? Because cotton bags or jute bags, they are biodegradable. I hope, children, that the chapter is clear to all of you. With this, we have finished with the chapter. Read the chapter properly and learn all the terms or the difficult terms properly. Okay? Thank you, children.